This project I set up and made the video. I should have explained more correctly about how I set up these two patterns. The start and the end of the patterns must be on the same horizontal plane. Start a new quilt group and place these patterns on the screen. My grid is 16 inches, and I'll take this pattern, place it on the screen, and you can see that it is 16 inches wide. So, and also I can check by zooming in to make sure that the start and end are on the same horizontal plane here. Then if I take this other pattern, and I'll just bring it on the screen also, and I'll check it. It doesn't matter where the start and end are located as far as the pattern is concerned. These two patterns, it happens to be at the bottom. Well, they could be at the top. I'll just flip this one. They could be at the top. It doesn't matter as long as both patterns are the same. So the start and end has to be at the top on both patterns. Now the start and end could be anywhere in between the top and bottom, as long as the start and end are at exactly the same distance between the top and the bottom, because they must connect. I'll flip these back over. Got to select it first. Select this one and flip it vertically, flip it back. So that's the criteria that must be met. As a start and end must be at the same place so that they can connect. I'll delete these patterns and then select this pattern first and this pattern. And as I said in the video, if I set these up, I'll just click OK here, and then I need to use these repeat and rows to make this work. So I'll lock this. Then I can start adding repeats. Now I said I needed an even or an odd number of repeats, and the quilt I had, it only requires 4 of these, and since I locked this, these will remain the same size as how I set them. Then I could just add my 5 rows. I know that's what it takes on this quilt. Now I'm finished. I'll click OK to accept it. When I select all, it will tell me the width and the height of this quilt, or the pattern field rather. My quilt is only 66 inches wide, but it says here I have 80 inches, and I have 75.26, and I'm not going to adjust that at this time, but I'm going to get rid of this 5th repeat on the right side. I'll just draw the marquee from the right to the left so that I touch the pattern in each row. Now I can delete it. Then when I select all, it's going to be very close to, it's a little bit short of the 66, but I will adjust that. So I hope this clarifies the fact that the start and end of the two patterns must be at exactly the same location between the top and the bottom, so that the patterns can successfully connect together.